oils come from all over the world. Those delicate aromatic essences are obtained by distillation or cold pressing of flowers, seeds, leaves, bark, or roots of trees, herbs, shrubs, and bushes. Essential oils are an entirely natural product, and alchemists also consider them to be the soul of the plant. Quality essential oils are rare, and that is why I will use AromaForce oils to offer you today my 4 favorite ways to use essential oils on an everyday basis. First, make sure you always choose a 100% pure, natural essential oil, undiluted, unaltered, and laboratory tested. The easiest and best known method to use essential oils is, of course, diffusion. We recommend that you use an ultrasonic diffuser in order to avoid heating up your oils and losing their properties. Simply add 2 to 8 drops of essential oils to the water in your device. The diffuser will separate the oil into very small molecules, which will then disperse them into the air with the chosen aroma. Spreading essential oils in the morning is a great way to start the day on the right foot. And to promote a positive mood, nothing better than the combination of bergamot, orange, and lemon. During the day, use rosemary and peppermint to improve focus and concentration. In the evening, a trio of rosemary, lavender, and clary sage should bring you a much desired relaxation. Essential oils have powerful aromas, and sometimes inhalation is enough. You can breathe the essential oil directly from the bottle, or use 1 or 2 drops on a tissue. Mint, like spearmint or peppermint, will eliminate bad smells and leave a fresh scent. Oils are also usually applied on the skin in the following places: under the feet, on the chest, the temples, and the different pressure points. They are also commonly used in massage therapy. Although be careful not to simply apply the essential oil directly on the skin, as there may be a risk of irritation. Essential oils need to be diluted. Mix 1 to 4 drops of essential oil in 1 teaspoon of neutral oil. And if you have allergies or family history of allergies, test your diluted essential oils on small areas of your skin first. Also, if you have children around or animals in the house, we recommend that you be careful while using essential oils. The key point here is to have fun with essential oils, and combined, they will act synergistically, each reinforcing the action of the other. And among my favorites, bergamot will promote the feeling of inner peace. Eucalyptus can have soothing effects and provide relief during the cold and flu season. Lavender has comforting and calming effects. Last but not least, you can also use your essential oils in your bath to pamper yourself at home. Simply mix 2 to 5 drops in a tablespoon of base oil and add to your bath water or mix with Epsom salts. Enjoy!